5-second adventures in astronomy. Number 5, the rotating moon. Whenever you look at the moon from Earth, it always looks similar. Different parts are illuminated at different times, but oddly we always see the same features. The moon never turns its back on us, much like the rules of etiquette when you visit the Queen. So does this mean the moon doesn't rotate? Well, no, because then, as it orbited us, we would see first its front, then its left side, and then its rear.
What is like a magnet, pulling Earth and its water bodies toward it. The water at the point closest to the moon is pulled more strongly toward it, creating a bulge in the direction of the moon. Earth's body is pulled a little less because it's slightly further away from the moon. Finally, the water on the side farthest from the moon is being pulled the least, creating another bulge by lagging behind Earth. This follows the concept of inertia. Any object at rest will resist moving. Hence, the far side bulge is created as the water over there isn't being forced to move toward the moon as hard. When areas of the ocean bulge out, the tide rises. When Earth rotates, their position changes. They no longer bulge, and the tide falls. So if you're thinking about how the moon affects the tide,
Hello. I'm doing this presentation for the Quanta Physics Space Company. Developed by Rodney Kowecki, he has written over 25 books about space. His story comes from reinventing theoretical physics into the 25th century. Most literary work was written over 100 years ago. The dialogue of these earlier physicists in the public's eye have been reinvented amongst the public but not in the history of the science literature. This Rodney Kowecki's story. His book illustrates not only a new theory about the universe but also brings the science about the universe mechanisms and how the universe works all up to date. His work shows how gravity in space illustrates an action of all the galaxies playing their part in a mobile universe of planets and stars. Within his compilation, within its expansion, the universe would have no motion and sleep dead in an empty space absent of movement and motion. With his story, life and the future of the universe can be explained.